Today we'll be focusing on how to massage away a stomachache with our Lush spa therapist, Cal. Like all of our massage routines, begin by warming the massage bar in your hands. Once the product has begun to melt at your body temperature, apply the massage bar to your skin, covering the entire abdominal area. Cal is using our joints massage bar, great for those moments in which you need to feel grounded. Start your routine with a few effleurages. Use the flat of your hands to spread over your ribs, down the sides of your waist and in towards your belly button, before gliding back up towards the ribs. Repeat this movement a few times. Keep your hands open and flat and begin to use upward sweeping motions. To do this, start in the space in between your ribs. Use one hand to glide upwards before using the other hand. Continue this movement as you work out towards the waist before sweeping back into the centre, and repeat on the other side. This movement is great for stimulating our lymphatic system and soothing anxious sensations in our abdominal area. Before moving on to the lower abdomen, use a few full coverage effleurages to maintain a calm and soothing pace. Continue to use the sweeping motions, this time starting alongside the belly button and gliding down and then out towards the hip. Remember to use both hands alternatively and to massage both sides of the lower abdomen. To flow into the next movement, ensure to use those effleurages, as they are great for calming our nervous system. To soothe those abdominal aches, place one hand just above your right hip. Overlap your other hand for support. Massage in a circular motion up towards your right rib. Glide over towards the left rib before massaging in circular motions down towards your left hip. Sweep across from the left to right hip a few times and follow with our waist pulls. To do this, cross your arms over your abdomen until your hands are touching the waist on the opposite side. Pull your hands in towards the belly button with every inhale. As you exhale, glide your hands back to the starting position and repeat. Finish your routine with a few effleurages and stroke up the centre of your abdomen. And that's it, stomachache relieved. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if this massage helped you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more videos like this.